No lock off the sound, officer. Go on like you take man for clone, officer. Hey, when the music now playing at the ghetto and the shots them a echo, say we up to no good. Make the music play, officer. Nobody make the youths them go astray, officer. Hey.
I am here vibing, one of the most lyrically potent, witty and creative DJs in Jamaica's entertainment space. His parents named him Marvin Clark, but we know him as...
WASP Attack. That is
Attack.
It. That is it.
Above average.
That is it.
How you
Never
doing,
below.
sir?
Well, they are no great. Bless and highly favor there, see me?
Yeah, man.
This are the cry for the people. This are the cry for the people. Things are nice with the people, some a fight for the people. With all my might for the people. When Babylon I study evil, hey yo, the devil is alive, I'm a feel him breathing. Him roaming at the morning, noon and the evening. I jag him made the life and we still deceiving. Him shower the blessing but we're not receiving. The baby father run, we left the woman breathing. The pitney born and still can't get no feeding. God man out a road and a life them seeking. We want to wake up, this is like we dreaming. So me have to cry for the ghetto youths them, oh, don't have no food to eat.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Girl come in at my place, spend the night over. But squeechy when you a carry it over. The body there, me woulda fight over. And me love when you give me love on the sofa. Me no care if your boyfriend a soldier. You drive me crazy, you and me chauffeur. Ride fast, like the race, them a Dover. Your body at your belly flat, like it a folder. Girl, you hot like fire. So just send on your body pan a boy.
Talk to us though, early life, place of birth.
Well, you don't know Jubilee Hospital to Cassia Park. And, you know, Cassia Park ever since. That's where the WASP nest is, you see me?
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Big up Vernon Avenue, big up Bronx, you see me? Straight.
Yeah, man. How many brothers and sisters?
Well, a 6 away, you know, my mother and father have, you know, you see me? Yeah, man. So big up my mother and father.
All of your siblings are still alive?
Yes,
we
man.
give thanks to that, man.
God
That's
is
always
good.
a blessing, you know?
Yeah, man.
The old man and old lady still with us?
Yes, man. Me and Empire every day.
Yeah, and Empire every day?
Every day. Every day I have to part with my mother.
Yeah, I think I have heard you mention before that mommy suffers from Alzheimer's.
Yes.
How is she doing though?
Yeah, man, she doing great. Because, you know, that is a thing where it never really heals. So it's a slow transition, you know, we do everything in our powers for just make it slow down and not go too fast. You see me? So, you know, big up mommy, she go and good, you see me?
Yeah, man. Where you attended school?
Well, Dunrabin Primary.
Then you're not going to school if you got Dunrabin Primary was?
Yes, it was like a big jump like this. Well, it was Dunrabin Basic School. Yeah, definitely. So, a straight Dunrabin Primary right there. So, after that, and then Pembroke High School, which is the best school in the world. Everybody know this by now. So, big up Pembroke.
Yeah.
You see me?
What was it like growing up though back then from a financial perspective?
It was both. Like, it did good and it did bad. You see me? We have days when we feel like we're the richest thing because my father do farm work, and when him come back,
things nice.
Nice. And we first get one of the colored TV them around there, and the video we used to put in the video cassette them and watch him. Thank you see? So big up my father, you see me? But then after that, you don't know, the thing trickle down in that Jamaica too long, and the thing trickle back down, and him have to wake you up some good 11 p.m. in the night. I say, yo, see some food there, you know? So for the whole day, nothing never run, and him now make we go sleep without
something to eat.
Yeah, him now make we go to bed and wake up a morning without eat. So if we start sleep 10 o'clock, him go wake you up and make we get something. You see me? So big up my father, you see me?
Yeah, man. And we know that Cassia Park has made the news in recent years for, you know, the wrong reason in some cases. It's kind of volatile sometimes. What was it like when you were growing up though?
At the best place on earth. Cassia Park, when me know as a youth I come up, be a sound system and be a girls and be a vibes. This are from, you know, the 80s, you know, the youth them had the disco and thing, and everybody a dance disco, and you see me with I come see my brother them in a dancing group and them thing. So it was just the best place on earth. We don't say a one man in a thing with a one man, but it wasn't. It
place is nice.
Yes, I think over a while it get away.
Deteriorate.
Yeah, and the youth them not take no talk. But the elders them who used to govern the place was a peaceful place, and still is, you know. Yeah. But it did have more, you know.
More love was there, man.
That is it. That
Yeah,
is
you
it.
made mention just now that you grew up seeing a lot of sound system in
Yes,
the era.
man.
Was there any sound in the era where have name, like was a sound out the road where have reputation?
Well, you know, me don't say yes and no because the sound them are not the biggest out there.
Okay.
But you know, in the
In the
region
area.
where I talk about man like Magic Touch and Cupid, them man, them sound
Cupid,
there.
yeah, man, I'm familiar with Cupid.
Yeah, them sound they run the cut man and them always a clash and thing, you see me?
Yeah.
I could even pick a side because I live on Verin with Cupid there and I learn for DJ the right way from Banks where Magic Touch there. So a
Oh.
50-50, you see me?
Cool, and as I said, learn for DJ though.
That is
We're along the growing up years, you know, you start feel a musical vibration though.
Well, you know, I'm born and just love music.
Oh, yeah?
Because now, as I mentioned, you know, my brother them used to dance disco and thing. I used to learn it too and could and do the little break dance thing. And my father and my mother, you know, are music people, them love listen them Olix. Uncle Ferris, rest in peace. Them man they play them Olix right through. And I was one of the child that I was one who couldn't like go around them and hold the vibes there with them only because I make myself available for when them want the cigarette and the
You're
beer
gone.
them,
You're
me go
gone
buy
quick.
it for them.
Yeah,
So
well.
when you go buy it for them and go and run, come back, them like that energy there.
Yes.
So them say, yo, you can stay and so we could and listen Alton Ellis and the whole of them great artists there, you see me? Dennis Brown and, you know, Barris Garden and, you know, we hear them song that play early in the home.
Yeah, I hear the music, but when now you start feel say, yo, something in me, something musically where me need to push out.
Alright, so me give a quick run. When me I go Dunrabin Primary, remember me say my parents them never have it.
Right.
So we have good and we have bad days as a balance. So when them not have it and we go school still without lunch money, me used to like quick. So if a man say two youth fighting at the school, I make up a song about the fight
build something around
right away. And guess what now? People hear about the song we put together so nice about the fight and things. So them reach out, yo, more hear the song where you do about the fight. And I say, yo, $50, you know. You see me?
Yeah.
And a man go tell a man and the next man forward and say, yo, me you say, yo, you have the baddest song about the fight. I say, yo, 100, you know. You see me? So me I left school with lunch money. I never go with, you see me?
The business of music very early, man.
That is it. So I realize something in this. But while going to Pembroke now, one of the days them was my birthday, and my cousin say, yo, she go give me a walk out of Afro Tree, you know? Because back in the days it was a big deal when you walk the plaza, when you go Afro Tree and walk the plaza. So my cousin walked me out and thing, and while we're up on the plaza and thing, I see Ninja Ford and them artists. So Ninja Ford actually, I talked to one of my sister at the time.
Oh, okay.
You see me? So I know him. And him always a part with a bridging him, Predator. So I know Predator because of Ninja Food. So I see them and me and say, yo, see them on the plaza because Chicken Supreme at the time I keep a concert.
Oh, it was an Island Grill.
Yeah, them Island Grill now.
Oh, so
But
Chicken
back then,
Supreme became...
that is it. So who have the best
You didn't
chicken
know that?
lyrics?
I never know that.
So that
I
is
learned
it.
That's how
That
it
is
go.
it.
Yeah?
So so them have a competition before the big artists them start work. So who have the best chicken song will win a prize. So Predator is like him can see the passion in my eye and him say, yo, yeah, you are go up there and win it, you know. And I say, me, him say, yeah man, don't worry about it, and he make up a song and tell me to go up there go sing it, and I go up there sing it and win the prize.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and from there so I say, yo, things in this, you know, chicken in
this.
I get
A
chicken
chicken
and cake. Chicken and cake. And I say, yo, some things in this thing. I'm start push up my chest now because I'm a win. And that day when mommy cook the food, I get the bigger piece of chicken at the time.
You know, you
so
earn it, man.
that is it. So I say, yo, something in this. So from this so now, I say, yo, I start write original.
Oh, okay.
Music.
But even so then, at that stage, who, come you know, you see a list, you grew up, I listen a lot of, you
Yes,
know,
man.
various different artists, but who was the person at the space where resonated with the most in terms of, yo, I like that as a DJ, and, you know, I want to do that something here?
Well, going to Dunrabin Primary, when I hear Buju Banton, I say, yo, I
hit that.
Yeah, man. You see me? And then Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, follow up that and thing, you see me?
Yeah.
And I just be a great art. Like me used to just listen to a whole juggling. Cause the Tony Rebel on the rhythm tough, the Marcia Griffith stuff, the Buju tough, and I love every song. You know, cause back then a song used to depend on certain standard before it reached radio. So like every song they tough on the radio at that point in time.
True that.
Yeah, man. So all of that inspire me. But me dance, if me for say the man who make me say, yo, you see me want do this. Me dance say, yo, Predator will make the lyrics.
Right.
And Ninja Food as my favorite artist when me know. Like we have whole part favorite where we hear.
But you know
the
him.
one where me know which is my favorite is Ninja Food. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up Harry Tadler as well too, because Harry Tadler did one of my sister, Ninja Food I did with the other. Where them are the two stars where me and see and know. You see me? So yeah.
See the pre. You and Sean used to not go school together?
Yeah, me telling you now the Pembroke days crazy. Because me clash every artist in a Pembroke and win the clashes and I'm gonna miss. You see? So Sean Isla and them youth there are some youth where when we go Pembroke them youth they used to say, yo, youth are tough, and you know, we used to say them youth are musical youth to nudge where the way around the ground. Me and him actually clash in a Pembroke, you see me? Yeah, I'm older. But it was the same time span, you see me? So Naja younger youth for you, but you don't know. The clash are going same way, me not partial, nothing. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Tales of the Crypt. But laugh. Was that a artist thing or a dancing thing?
It was an artist thing, you know, because after I win this cake and thing, we say, yo, I start go everywhere and DJ and I mash up the liquor show them in a Cassia Park and Walton Park and, you know, they're on a Jackson Town, you see me, Cassava piece. Anywhere they show there, we go find them. So you have some other bad artists in my community, you know, one named Laka and one named Shanari. Shanari becomes a big selector now in a Jersey named Grammy Kid. You see me? Yeah. Him and Noah was like, you know, the two baddest selector one at the time.
You said Noah, you mean Noah Power?
Yeah, Noah Power.
So Noah Power, Cassia Park
you too, you
see
me?
Cool, no?
When I was saying born there, but at this time really get the first breakout there where Ricky Trooper take up him and Shanari, which is Grammy Kid. You see me? So Shanari now, which is Grammy Kid, and another virgin named Laka, the three-away farmer group named Tears from the Crypt. I don't know why we come with a name there, but somebody said to I would just run with it and we start mash up the liquor show them and thing, you know. Me and one of the writer them in the crew too, cause you know, say we make music quick.
But I never last too long still.
No, you know, because Shanari knows say now I playing the music I really feel.
Okay, so selecting a him love.
Yeah, and him branch off in that and Laka tell himself say, oh, yeah, now I'm good at this music thing, but I'm better at being an electrician and things.
Okay,
so,
cool. Nothing wrong with that something.
Yeah, and me stick with it.
You stick with it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and I think around now about 06 I think that was the time on your first mixtape drop a road.
Yeah.
But before we reach this still, because you made mentions you learned for DJ run we bang upon one of the sound. Talking about the sound system, Magic Touch. Talking about the sound
every
system
Monday
education.
Now, that is it. Every Monday now, you used to have a stage show down at the Banks, which is simply in a Cassia Park, but this up on the gully. Zine, every Monday. This are before them have Uptown Monday. Because to me, that's where the whole idea come from. Wednesday, Wednesday, Waltham used to have them show up on a Wednesday and Cassia Park on a Monday and Jackson Town on a Sunday, you see me? Now all of that turn in a Uptown Monday, you know? So back then now upon the Banks, when stage show go on a Monday night, you see me? Whole heap of top artists are forward, you know, and you have to prove yourself. So I go DJ around there, the people them know me, them give me a little forward and my thing them. But me notice that when certain man forward, like the top artists them, the fence are beat down. And I wonder, how the fence are beat down for them man there and I get a little small ray. You see me? So I start evaluating and I say, yo, I want that big.
You need fence to beat down, man.
Yeah, man. So I start realize it's a combination of things, you see me? Them say some things in the song will make you half a ball forward. And not only that, when them reach certain part in the song, them get a little bit aggressive. And me I learn about control, stage control, and me I learn about voice control and, you know, how to interact with the audience and the intro where you use. You see me, I down on the banks we learn that.
Yes.
Because we start move the crowd and fence start beat down and me a clash artists and a win artists and them type of vibes there.
You ever go around any other sound in terms of DJ learning the craft?
Yeah, but mainly era sound because by
Okay.
then, by me start love the music now and come of age now. That thing that it cut out.
Fade out, yeah man.
Yeah, so we used to just DJ upon the sound them in the community. Anyway, we hear to the stage show there, we did it. So
Yes.
big up Liberty is the next Cassia Park sound that and we
Okay.
DJ upon Liberty to same way and do dub plate and them things.
Yes. The 06 mixtape, The Buzz, I think, is the name of that.
Yes,
See?
yes.
So actually you started going studio from early out then?
Alright, so with the buzz now, the buzz is when we realize that the music changing our way out now. We're in, after the studio every day. The youth them can do them thing upon them ends and it works. So we decide say we're gonna put together our own mixtape
Oh, okay.
and just issue it out and take on the streets. If we make enough noise, the radio gonna hear about it.
Yeah.
And the radio gonna call for it. But we not have to go the traditional way of saying bleach at the studio there, bleed. No. We put together a tough mixtape and it reached Black China voice a song with my name. What's about the place pan a
drum line.
drum line. And then Dan Carleone's hear me and say, yo, that youth a tough him come like Busy and Cartel in a one. That's him exact
Yes.
expression and then boom my voice a song for Dan Carleone name step to them
Atmosphere.
upon the atmosphere and what was there and then a trouble from
Oh,
the
so there was another song. What was there?
No, just a line.
Okay.
Just the atmosphere.
Yeah,
so
so what was there? Okay. How many tracks have I said for Dan?
I do like 5, 6.
5? Oh, yeah?
Yeah. All of them songs they get whole heap of rotation, but none never bust out. You see, because we know when a song bust. But them songs they did in a rotation because by them time when me Dan and I work with Dan, the thing did kind of trickle down. It was a little vibes with Big Ship and Dan Carleone Camp and Munga and a Rebel and thing and Man and Man did that take side and thing. Dan wasn't them favorite at that point in time. Them time me I get my run now, so me just hard shoot. I remember one time I give a selector, a popular selector, I go throw him under the bus and call him name. But I give him one of the singles, step to them, and he throw it back, say yo, nah play them
Because
and
of
that
Dan.
thing. Yeah, me and a bridging the good now. Yes,
But that's just the politics in our music, bro.
yeah, because I have to step to him billions after him do that and, big up, you can call female, big up Tony Mataran and him come in and talk,
Oh.
and kind of make the peace reign. But that big up that selector there, him actually, me and him a good friend now and him give me enough good advice.
Yes.
But at the time, they are going with Dan Carleone.
Remember what go on
Yeah,
in with Dan and the Big Ship vibes and them, so Munga and thing
people
and
did
thing
have to
and
pick
thing.
a side. I remember Dan run the place for a while. You see me, and then, Ship come and run the
Genius,
place
yeah,
for
man,
a
for
while.
real, for
yeah,
real.
so big up Genius, big up Dan Carleone.
Simple. Marvin Clark is the name on the birth certificate.
Yes.
WASP. Or you come by that. And from the beginning, you use WASP as a name?
Yeah, man.
Or you
Because when I mash up the show out of Chicken Supreme, Ninja follow up on me and say, yo, you're going to need an artist name though, You see me? Because at the time, I go call myself like Ninja Food. You see me? So, he said to me, say, yo, listen, you need a real name, So I say, yo, give me a name. So him go through a slower name, but every name he put the Ninja before it. Because
Okay.
remember, we look up to Ninja first.
Right.
Whenever we want to call somebody name, then we him call. But then him say Ninja WASP. I'm going to say, yeah, eat that. No know the meaning of WASP, never go in the dictionary. I just know say WASP one thing we fly around and WASP and me is a youth. When I perform, I just WASP and thing. I say, eat this. You see me? And then, boom, I get the name. Harry Toddler look for me one day and say, yo, take off the Ninja fight. And that's how I say WASP alone.
Attack them.
Yeah, so big up Ninja Ford, big up Harry Toddler, you see me?
Bad thing. You have a tune on the Giant with him?
The Giant.
Yeah, I think Award 21.
Oh, no.
No. I don't know why I have that in my head.
So Vice for Award 21, but I don't remember what I read in the name. Big up Conley.
Okay.
Invite me after me, I do the mixtape, The Buzz.
Right.
Because we I do the mixtape run on Natural Bridge. Award 21 him did every day. Now me did I work and me is a man as a youth because I grew with my mother and my father. And me and him power up to the day. So me a good morning, good evening and all of that and thing. And the man him will heal me. But don't no bag of long talking. Zin. And one day, I can remember after I reached like 7 songs on the mixtape, because I do the mixtape on a natural bridge. And one day, I forward in for do some tracks and Conley say, yo, me the way you there. And him a look on him say, yo, you bad in the youth. Yo, you're one of the baddest. Me and the man barely talk, so me not expect me and him now look for me.
Right.
So me I move on and do my thing.
Yeah.
And him say, yo, you me a talk, you know. And I said, me, and it was the biggest thing for Conley co-sign me.
When was the first time you actually going to the studio, a voice to a recording studio?
Well, big up my brethren, Alien Parable and Labby Alien, you see me? Them youth, me and them youth, they pull up money together and say, tell ourselves that we're going to record our own thing, you see me? So we did start a thing and we did actually record a song and thing and get it mixed. We save our money and do that. The first time I can remember recording for a producer outside of we had our own thing is a brethren named Mosiah. Big up yourself anywhere you're there in the world, Mosiah. And Chester was the engineer. I'm a record a song with me and a youth named Jaguar. Big up Jaguar anyway. Bad artist, you see me, and me carry him go studio.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool, man.
So me and him do a collab. I think a Cassia we call the song. And Mosiah will record it for him, pay away 500 Jamaican each.
Yeah.
And it was the biggest thing
Biggest
for me.
thing.
Because I earned the 5 bills. This is not cake and chicken now. This is
5
real
bills.
money. Me have 5 bills.
Yeah, brother.
And I make that serve me for a month for just go back and
Back
forth
to studio.
Jaguar do the same. Him done for month first because him did burn weed and him.
Okay. The buzz out there, the link with Carleon out there, and the thing I grow. But that song, we really and truly, if you kick down the door, never arrive until 09.
That is it. So you say the stretch, isn't it?
Yes. 3 years, basically.
That is it. So once Dan Carleon start voice me now, the thing not normal. As me I say, him did a go through that thing there with the whole
Right.
thing. But Dan Carleon. So now you don't have man like DJ Wayne. I pull up and I play my song. And anybody know me knows me is a big DJ Wayne fan. Like we used to listen to the radio every Friday for listen to DJ Wayne and now him bring in the song. Them man mixing all commercial and you have to bust blank for the commercial.
We are
Skill
that.
them with it.
Where's the link up?
That is it, Zane. Yeah, man, Whistle. Yeah, legend. So, Liquid. I know Liquid before I link up with Dan. You see me? I used to link Liquid and beg him for play my song them and thing. And Nicky Z are the first. This Jackie start giving me that real strength up on radio. You see me? Big up Wild Child. The first person to play my song, but like for this Jackie say, yo, I give you that real strength. Nicky Z used to give me that real strength there, you see me? Yeah, man. So, I say all of that for say this now. After that, I build up them relationships there with couple this Jackie and thing. So, I listen to the game and I watch the game and I say, yo, Melody the thing there, you know, because I used to just a DJ straight. You know, and I say, Melody the thing there. So, we hear a couple songs out there and Chino, them are it and Conscience, them are it and, you know, people know some tough. I say, yo, you're tough, you know, but fuse it with little melody, you know. And, you know, I go to Children's Hospital one time and I see my nephew. Him actually broke him foot and while that happened, I visit him every day. So while I go there one day and him foot string up on the crib, you know, and him a young, he might probably want, you know. But he's a youth who 7 lift him up and both of them drop and, you know. So while that happened now, I go there every day go look for my little nephew and thing and the first thing I say is, life is so unfair. And that's how the song Unfair Officer come about. So once I say that, I start say, yo, this sound like a song, the way I say life is so unfair. I need another line. The next line come to me is, I not even sell a crate of beer. So I say, oh, I sing about the youth broke foot and it reach a beer. The voice say, yo, listen to youth, you always a freestyle. Freestyle, man, and don't worry about it. I'm just freestyle the whole Unfair Officer song. Run out of the hospital. Because I say, yo, I'm find it. Zine. And the nurse.
So you do the freestyle then and there over Buster Manti?
Yeah, the whole Unfair Officer song.
So then and there.
Yeah, so I'm freestyle the whole
Unfair.
Unfair.
The thing in your head.
Yeah, man, the whole thing. I'm run out of the hospital and say, yo, I'm find it. And the nurse, I can remember a nurse, I looked at me like, Yeah, lose it or something. I'm here me to her now. Sure you don't know what me find, man. I'm going to go outside and think, I'm going to start sing it and memorize it. I go to my friend and I say, yo, I find it, you know. Then say, let me hear it. I'm sing it from my bridging them and them say, yo, this stuff. So I start link the top producer them and none of them wouldn't.
Nobody not take it?
Nobody wouldn't want to hear from me. Them never want to give me a chance for hear what me have.
Oh,
so,
yeah?
Yeah, so this you name Damian Gill, my brethren named Frank, I tell me about him. Ninja 4 do this tough song when him some days the pressure is on. And him a tell me say Damian Gill do it. So when me say yo, me go link him. And Ninja Ford say, yeah man, and Ninja Ford say, yo, link up man and carry me. Ninja Ford carry me and I go DJ the song and the youth play the song.
Play around it.
Yeah man. So my freestyle it up there. Horse. Because I start to learn about melody now and I try one new something. So I kind of horse, I try record the song.
Yeah man.
So I know say it, you know. I feel say it by the way. No must it, but I feel it. So I go home. I'm going to come back now and say my voice, I kick now. Ready for record this. And Damian Gill say, no trouble this, you know.
I'll be tired.
And Ninja Ford say, oh, what's I do? Try change it. I say, no, my voice clear now. The man say, what's loud this, you know. And I just follow the general them and the song go out there with my whole sub self and it come hit.
Hit song, bro.
Big hit song.
Big song.
Yeah man, changed my life.
Big,
I go
big
up and
song.
playing everything.
Yeah, we saw that we played and
Yes.
cheered and all that.
The chain.
So the song now that you have been searching for,
Yeah man,
arrive.
I find it now and start put on weight now and start. Because music was stressing, you know, brother. And because here what wicked about music now, you're tough, you mash up the show them, but you see that song that will break you through, you know, find that one there, but everything tough, you know, and you have all song with tougher than some other man, you know, but them find the hit song, you know, find it.
Sure
So now, he met me there with that girl and she said, boy, I bet you love this music thing. At that time, you know, and we have some school friend where did I tell we say we're Iron Balloon from Pembroke and them thing there. So when me find a song there, I start to say, yes, I do it. Yeah, I feel like mission accomplished with that one song there. You see me? And I tell myself, say, yo, I hate this. So I start work harder. When that song they forward, I just start work harder. You see me?
Give me a couple bars out there before we talk about yours sitting there, man.
No lock off the sound, officer. Go on like you take man for clone, officer. Hey, when the music not playing at the ghetto and the shots them a echo, say we up to no good. Make the music play, officer. Nobody make the youths them go astray, officer. Hey, Zimmy.
09.
Yeah.
Song fine.
That is
Think
it.
Killer call you on at some fest that year.
When me find that tune, you know, Zine, because we did out there push Ninja Ford some days. And then I drop my song end of May, and by June, people start taking on to it. I play it at one dance down a Cockburn Pen, and the song played over 20th time, and I say, yo, I start feel awake, and I say, this song I pull up too much. Somebody must there fed up with this, and I don't want to hear when them start cuss.
Yeah.
So the song I play too much, so I left, and me and Ninja Ford drive out. You see me, I will start get be a call about the song and everybody. Till one day, I walk in at the club and thing, and Bounty Killer see me. No, me see Bounty Killer and go hear the general. So while I go hear the general say, yo, you there on some fest? I mean, I can't do it. But he say, yo, you there on some fest? And I say, no, you know, I'm not there on some fest. He say, oh, you have the biggest song and them not put up on it. And I say, probably I throw the song fine while them already book. He say, nah, man, you have to work on the show, man. What you say, man? Take my number. Brother, I want to jump up, I want to do big things, but you have to hold it.
You have to hold it, right.
Oh, you said the number go like. I play it off. When I go outside, I run, go up the road and run, come back. I kill a number this. I make it. I something I pray. Yeah, man, I kill a number this. So him give me him number when I call him answer for true. And him tell me, say, yo, that is it. So him tell me, say, him that the rehearsal place and I'm forward and thing. And the next thing we reach me that day, when I know is a blessing, big up Father God. I go up on the rehearsal without $1. I left my yard, because I kill myself for forward, and you see me, I say, yo, I have wait for a piece of food before I left out, but I say, I could wait. Killer tell us to reach 3 o'clock, reach 3. So me end up not go collect the piece of food at Western. which is the best turn. I go so boom, I reach a racial place without $1, bro. And Killer tell me forward 3. Killer no reach till around 9 or somewhere there. So. But guess what happened now? Me that are hungry start wax. No man no know when me hungry come, I hold it. And even if you have, you say, oh, you're good, me I got to tell you something good. So my mother raised me. Now watch this now. My daddy and a promoter walk in. And he say, oh, what's this? I say, yeah man, I mean, man. The man say, youth, you know, long me want to say, you do the biggest song. We as promoter fi keep a thing and just give you the money, bro. Bro, you do a song where represent for the whole of we as promoter. When police are lock off, I try lock off for thing, I hear a song. Yo, and the man dipping in pocket and just give me some money. Him not check where him have. Him just give me and thing and my hold it and look on it and thing and realize say, I want hold it for money I get. See? So it's a blessing that day there.
A blessing, man. Blessing
Yeah,
never
man.
lesson, man.
So I'm not bother hungry again now, because now we have money I know, so we're good.
Yeah.
So the mindset good and thing, and then Killer forward in and I do the rehearsal and mash it up and thing, and you see me mash up some fest. And Killer call me out and say, yo, I start get fight now. Same tell him, say, Killer call you up and some fest, I mash it up, I get fight now. And I said, blows and skirt. But him say, you're in the game officially. He might tell me what to look out for, because you're in the game now. And thing, and the next year, they book me up on some fest, but I say exactly what him did I say. Yeah, man,
okay.
definitely. So, big up the general, man.
Yeah. Before we even move on, you see, Unfair Officer, them time there, it did kind of have a busy type of sound to it.
Definitely.
You accept that?
Yeah, I used to run from it. But used to run from it, and I'm going to tell you why. I never go in at the studio and say, yo,
you want
sound like busy. In fact, if me I do a song and say it sound like nobody thing, I scrap it. But when as I tell you, I do the song Host, and come out of the studio and Ninja for them say, yo, this gone, you know, don't change this, because you sound like you beg and you get host while you beg them for no like
that makes sense.
No, just say the man, I'm a general man, big up Ninja Ford and Damien.
That makes sense, man.
So, right there, so now, bro, everybody will hear the song, I tell me, say, yo, you hear the new busy? These are people I know, you know.
I don't have to hear the
I say what? Them said, he must say no lock off the sound, and I just start laugh. I saw me do the song, and then them start laugh like, I lie at him, you see me? In my community, Cassia Park, them never know me. Them hear it play and them are so busy and I get some forward like a busy. They know me.
Yeah.
You see me? Because remember now we not start go some place yet before. You see
yeah,
me?
Man. Yeah,
After a while them start know say one youth name was a new youth and thing. But yeah, it definitely have that. When me listen it back, Busy is one of the most creative artists ever.
No doubt.
Yeah man, hands down. Most versatile, me give him that. So that are just one of the mood or one of the style them when him do.
Yeah.
And gone.
And you know, I always say a thing, the moment you know a song got hit, you say anytime a man say that song that sound like somebody will hit already, a big name, it's song gone, man.
That is it.
It's a blessing that sense
yes,
brother,
man. I don't know why I run from it. Now I embrace it.
Makes sense,
isn't
man.
it? Yeah, man. Big up Busy.
Big up Busy.
Yeah, man.
You say now, Life Change.
Yes.
Start where first place you land after the song hit.
Alright, so big up Fantan Moja, because I like the people them respect. Fantan Moja did carry me go Bahamas.
Yeah.
First look at time that me go fly. Fantan put me up on a plane.
But even hold on there. Yeah, Fantan never like in one little group one at a time before on the breakout.
Well, it never in the group, but when we save up money and do first dub plate, we carry Fantan, we put Fantan pan that.
What did name? Killer.
Mad Killer.
Mad Killer,
and
man.
him spoil up the dub. Fantan you spoil up the dub, and you make the promoter, and you make the sound man never pay with. Because when we go to the sound man and say, yo, because we are just a ninja for them, I get paid for them dub. So I say, yo, how the food go? Man, someone for pay you for something on the spoil up. Come out to Fantan and you cause that, because my thing did, you see me? With the train, like, we know we're going to do that, we train the whole week. Fantan, what we tell Fantan, say, yo, I could do a little small practice outside, because remember now, when you press record them time there, you can't stop or nothing.
Right,
so you have to go straight. That's what dub they do. It's straight. So we make sure we practice for 1 whole week, probably more. And then the day off, we see Fantan, which is Mad Killer at the time, and say, yo, when I do a dubbing and him say want a piece of it. I say, yeah man. But I say my career now, him I say, nah man, I'm doing a little thing. Cause him always go like him bigger than we. As I say speak it into being because him bigger than we for real.
Yeah.
No, Zin. But back then him I say, I'm doing a little thing man, I have this slap man. So me a DJ and I can't remember, I just remember how I call him in. Me I say, come in mad killer, come DJ your song and the man come in before the man start DJ the man upon. Yo, ha. Alright, you ready? And then him know, think it a go say yo, this the bad man. No for them a figure jump overboard. In TV piece a general degree song, piece a ninja food song. One time Boja, yo. You can't forget them history, bro. You see me? We don't even laugh about it now.
Naturally. But he was the first man who carry a road like that.
Alright, him will tell us that him carry a road, you know, but Fantan Moja start DJ the night when me win the thing out of Chicken Supreme.
Okay. So as I mean, fly out, you know, that what it mean, you know.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, big up Fantan Moja. Him at the first time I fly, and a Bahamas I go, and it was a big deal. Because now I can say, yo, I go up and plane. It was a big, where I come from.
Yeah.
And my father alone out of the family did a fly and thing, you know. My sister, big up Suzette, she's second and thing, you see me? But when me go up on a plane now, I embrace it. So that's why I have to big him up for that.
Naturally.
Then, Unfair Officer come hit now, and promoter book me. The first bookings I get at California.
So you went with Fantan on the road before Unfair Officer?
Yeah, that's the one, that little one show.
Nothing wrong with that,
man.
brother, man.
Yeah, man.
Wings the thing there, no?
That is it. I will fly private.
Nice one.
Big up Fantan Moja
Yeah,
again.
but Cali was the first place after.
Yeah, man, a promoter called me and said, them want book me for perform the song, Unfair Officer. So me have it say one song, them know with me. When me go over California, big up Dan's One Sound, them have a mixtape with me. Around 5 WASP on it and the people them know them line for line. So when me go there and find out which song I work on for me and them tell me, bro, me shell the show. I give them half an hour straight and I have that as a big thing. Cause before that, I always 3 and 4 songs I do anyway. I do half an hour and thing.
Full set?
Yes, and when I forward off, people them say, yo, them couldn't do them couldn't take another half an hour from me, you see me? Because what I do, my ears say that hip-hop song are hot. I do all three songs on the rhythm and shell it before I go in at the one them where them know.
Oh,
so
okay.
I pace it and we learn about shooting in a way where, you know, we can shoot with eye and do it, man. Yeah, man.
The follow-up song is, if you ask me, one of the biggest song released in the last 2 decades in the country, brother, in terms of the message in the song,
yes,
the importance of the song, and the fact that song will live on forever. And Free Officer will live on because you always have police a lock up and dance. But Cry for the...
My favorite song.
Beautiful song, man.
Yeah, man, my favorite song. And I write that song there, and I tell people this, like, all that song that come to me is a test I go do, you know. You see me, I go do some blood works and thing, and you know, at the time we are fret because we are say be a girl and you know.
Yeah, road.
Yeah.
You know that style
so me are fret, you see me? Now me have a good baby mother and out there going with the thing, so me go do the test and you know them way there when the commercial them start come on and thing and you say, yo, jaja. You see me? So me are fret and doing when me get through now and them say, yo, you know, you think good, bro, I start rejoice. But I remember saying to God, say, I'm going to marry her, my girl, and second.
Everything good.
Yeah, and the marriage thing never works. So I say, you know what? I have to do a song I talk about that topic there. I have to talk about people who are go through something. You know, it's like, you know, like, yeah, try for have a good karma. So you want, you know, just want to sing about this and say, you want Father God for say, yeah, you do.
One of their songs they don't call.
So, the promise so I make to Father God, yo, I tell myself, say, yo, Father God, I'm going to do a song where at least speak on certain things. And, you know, I'm a praying man, so, you know, when I do the song and thing, I pray about it and I write the song. One of my favorite songs that people don't know is a song named Earth Song with Michael Jackson. Now, I do my song and I go through one thing, and one of the biggest thing for me is I read some comments. I read comments, by the way. And I read some comments and somebody say, my song remind him of Earth Song I'm say mission accomplished.
A world song, man. World song, brother. The background vocals, the lyrics, and the messaging of the song,
Man.
the
Big up
video,
Line Memory too,
the
because
whole
you
works,
see the
man.
vision. When I write the song for a choir do it.
Yeah.
And me tell me a DJ it and I have my brethren them as choir. And my father said the worst song him ever hear because my friend them a sing half key. Him no see where I go.
Right.
When I carry the song over Damien Gill, I was start put it together. And Damien Gill say, yo, we're going to get a youth named Line Memory. And Line Memory forward on the track and do the harmony, brother. Me I tell you, man. Me hear the man do it like a choir, like it's a real choir we get and thing. And me I praise him like, yo, brother, the toughest thing. And he must say, yo, when you write, it inspire me if I go so hard on the harmony. You see me? But, you know, that song that in our movie, Death in
Paradise.
Yes. And when 80,
yeah, man.
yeah, that's
2010
them drawback
earthquake.
feet. You see
And
me?
you kind of change up a few things and
yes,
shot
yeah,
again.
Man, that is it. Yeah, man. That song that one of my favorite song and one of my songs I'm proud of.
Bro, as long as you're alive, that song will be relevant.
Yeah, man. My
no
love
matter how much years you pass and gone, that song will be relevant,
yeah, man.
bro.
Twins are some youth I respect and them look for me and them said this is one of the most important songs at the time when we drop it. You know, and them when them youth they say it, I say, yeah, because them are some youth read.
You have a thing in our music name, hit songs, eh? You have a thing in our music name, classic. Enough man get whole heap of hit song, but they don't get no classic. Yeah, some man when I get no whole heap of hit song, but they don't get some classic.
Yes.
Cry for them, classic.
Yeah, man, give thanks.
Classic, bro.
Give thanks.
Be a couple bar out there.
This are the cry for the people. This are the cry for the people. Things are nice with the people, so I fight for the people. With all my might for the people. When Babylon I study evil, hey yo, the devil is alive, I'm a feel him breathing. Him roaming at the morning, noon and the evening. I drag him in the life and we still deceiving. Him shower the blessing but we're not receiving. The baby father run, we left the woman breathing. The pitney born and still can't get no feeding. God man out a road and a life them seeking. We want to wake up, this is like we're dreaming. So me have to cry for the ghetto youths them, oh, don't have no food to eat.
Big song, bro.
Yeah.
World song. World song.
Yeah, man.
You want to think now, me think people do with WASP. People confine WASP to unfair officer and cry for them, but they're wrong. Cause watch a style at all. Hot like fire, brother. Big tune. As a matter of fact, we could go look further. And that tune take a rhythm.
Thank you. Birch who record that song and he mix the whole rhythm. When Birch have record a song that they do, him tell me say, if I'm gonna do the first four bar, I'm say, yo, you take the rhythm.
Birch said that?
Yeah. And you know, as I said, I be a general, you know, so Birch said me take the rhythm, I can't believe it. My teeth gone weird, my smile gone weird on the so. So, but hear me know, what do you mean by me take the rhythm? How comes me take the rhythm? He must say because I mix the rest of the song, I'm hear them.
I hear them.
Your song gone. Him say you're planting at the rhythm. And I feel like mission
I've heard the closest thing to his strong pan rhythm.
That is it.
A simple matter.
Yeah, man.
Music, it obvious.
Yes, man. Connect, man. Wi-Fi. All that song that come out, I'm a baby mother at the time. Say, yo, I know you love the conscious song, the one thing, but do something for the girl. Them, I mean, at the club, I'm going to see Donia song play and Carter song play. I'm going to see how the girl them react. You need one of them, and so that are the first one, I really, you know.
Remind the people, them, man, I reintroduce some things that I wrote.
Yeah. Girl come in at my place, spend the night over. But squeeze you when you a carry it over. The body, there, me woulda fight over. And me love when you give me love on the sofa. Me no care if your boyfriend a soldier. You drive me crazy, you and me chauffeur. Ride fast, like the race, them a Dover. Your body at your belly flat, like it a folder. Girl, you hot like fire. So just send on your body pan a boy. Tell you say you hot like fire. And me dip on your case like a liar. Girl, me say you hot like fire. So just spin your waist like a car tire. Tell you say you hot like fire. And then you make another girl have to retire. Because you pass through and every eye you open up. Every man a puzzle up are you there.
Mad, brother.
Yeah, man.
Take a rhythm.
Yeah,
over
man.
time.
Yeah, man, it gone with a couple girl heart too, you see? Yeah, man. Most female when I talk to them say, yo, are them favorite that.
Favorite.
Yeah, man.
Tune, man. Our next tune where mash up the road. Take away boy girl.
Anthem.
Take away boy girl and return her back. You know?
Anthem. That song that below a little bit of frustration.
Oh yeah? I think that 2014 that song drop. I think.
Yeah, man. My son just born. My son a couple months. My baby mother gonna work and me I bill with my son for the day. You know, cause the thing with music make it and you go work when you want to go.
Right.
You see me say you book the studio time 8 o'clock if you know your baby mother coming 6. You know, you can work around the timing. So me have my son and me I listen to the radio. And me I listen me I listen to the radio. See? And when me I listen to the radio, me I hear be a different man song. Me hear all some rhythm when me dep on. I mean,
And
I
then
hear
now
my
play a
song.
tune.
Yeah, I mean, I say, what this? Zine. And then me hear Johnny Cole say, yo, after we take that break here, we are forward back with a tune named New Flames. Chris Brown, Usher, and Rick Ross. People, you hear what me say? Chris Brown, Usher, Rick Ross. So you know on a normal song. I say, R&B. I mean, you know us. Jump on YouTube, I type in New Flames, Chris Brown, Usher, and I see the song come up. And I type in instrumental. And I say, these are the challenges, I just tell you straight. I say to myself, say, yo, me I go do a song on this where you have to play with the Chris Brown. Because the Chris Brown gon' play.
Yes, naturally.
It a go play naturally.
And
but me I go say some things in this where make you can't left it off of the juggling. So said, so done. I start watch what go on in the game, you know, remember I say Alkaline, same tattoo him eye, you know, but you know say Footer and my girl did actually, yeah. It never bust out big yet, but we hear the thing them. So me I listen and me I say, yo, everything what me know I go in that. You see? So I write the song and my son while like in probably like 4 months or so. The rhythm I play and him I do him on like this. And that was a confirmation for me, like, yo, him a feel this. The people them gonna feel it. I'm gonna tell my baby mother, say, yo, I'm gonna find it. And I just link up Red Boom, the genius. Red Boom, big up Red Boom. I link him up and tell him, say, yo, I have a song. And him record the song, mix it, same time I master it. I call Chrome, send it to Chrome. And the next day, I be a call again. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Run it, man.
All right, take a boy girl and return her back. Take away your girl and return her back. Style and pattern, me learn her that. Me no know how you go earn her back. Boy and I me had to watch cartoon. Him girl follow me go to the bathroom. She open her book and me give her a pencil. Just call that art room. Enough girl me have from me a go school. Ask any girl in my classroom. Me and my cousin got a wedding last week and me take for the bride and pass groom. Borrow one Lamborghini and me take for Queenie from Beanie. Then touch Alkaline girl front time face, but the tattoo you make him no see me. And Bounty Killer start pre me. I say, girl you there with what's really? When I mean at the general around the whole town and you really give it up so easy. Yo, boy Rob strap on a lock shop. Why me have him girl on a black mat, double that, laptop, and then me approach with a snapshot. Maybe a man have the black lock. Take a boy girl and go knock that. Knock it again and again and again and again and then me bring back that. 23 girl uptown, 17 bad girl downtown. Me and the man where they take with the girl from the selector boy run a down sound. Man a bad man, me and a girl clown. As girl see me them drop down. This is for the real girl is them whether una popular or una unknown because we take a boy girl and return her back. Take with your girl and return her, you see me.
Spitting, man.
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
Tune, find it again.
And the second verse get wicked, you see me.
We know a tune, man. We know the tune, brother. Another tune you did in the earlier year, I think about 2011 still, is another song where resonated with a lot of people. The Government. Big up Damien Gill again. Because at one point in time, I feel like a Damien Gill me go do every song with because of the chemistry with the Unfair Officer. And, you know, as I tell you, him release a song with my host and it my first song where people know, you see me? So, anything him say, I say it go. So, I find the Government, I link him, and him tell me, say, yo, this gone again, you know, we shot it, you see me? Yeah, man. So, big up Damien Gill. And the Government are one of the songs I get a lot of requests. Big tune, man.
Yeah, man.
Big tune.
Yeah, man. It never come go on like the Unfair them, but a lot of requests, man. People love them, track them.
The thing is, you know, you see, you do some songs sometimes where it's hard to go back round. Cry for the youth, cry for them.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Not easy.
Come like we know you do a song as long as you live.
Yes.
You can't. You understand what I say?
Slim thing.
No, man, Wayne stop sending flowers to your apartment. So
Oh, love you too much, Trevor Star, yeah.
As long as he couldn't
Me I
sing
mix him up with Wayne Smith.
Me understand, man.
Yeah.
As long as Wayne live, he can sing from now till the kingdom come.
Yeah, man.
No matter how much hit song you have.
Listen, that song, I want to write about that song. That's one of the deepest
brother,
love songs.
Me say the man.
The man say me your laughter coming through our door, you know, so nobody.
Me say the man performed the song on a dance hall Thursday one night.
Oh, shoot.
He not singing past the first line for about 20 try, brother. I saw him man have his
Connect, man, I love bump for him that, you know.
So you say, cry for them?
Cry for them, yeah, man.
I saw the thing, brother.
Yes, man.
No matter how much hit song you have in the future,
That's it.
That is, yeah,
Time to come, you know, when me I perform that song there and seasoning with it, you know, people. Me I tell you about the full choir me I bring on stage, you know. Everybody in a full
like a
white
vibe,
with
man.
the bands and the pianists and, you know, everybody in a white and the
concert.
smoke. Yeah, man. You know, I see vision for that song there, and it's a song where me personally feel like I go remix it because so much people reach out to me and said, remix it. Because I not get the just do. You see me? But I give thanks, man, and, you know, whole heap of greatness in the
greatness. Yeah, bro. In about 2015, 2016, you signed with Not Nice.
Yeah, man. Big up Not Nice.
How the link they make?
You know, Not Nice is a youth where, you know, him not nice. So, I reach out to him because me one of the first youth for record fame. When me did a voice with Dan and have that buzz around me, I never buzz, but me have a buzz. One youth reach out to me name Not Nice, I'm a voice fame and never watch nothing. So, I reach out to him after him and Alkaline part ways.
Oh, okay.
You know, I reach out to him and ask him if I can dip on him next juggling. And he's a youth straightforward. You know, one thing you have to give him that him straightforward. Him say, yo, if me have voice, I have to sign you.
Oh.
Yeah, because if my voice and the song take off,
Okay.
where it going to benefit me. I say, yeah, it's going to be another hit song for you and me. And I say, yo, no, a signing thing. And, you know, I sign a crappy deal for a Happy Meal. But, you know, we ride out my 3 year, never forfeit, never, you know, never breach it.
Yeah.
We ride the 3 year and thing and, you know, we do some great work together.
Well, let me ask you a question though. Because Not Nice is one of the premier producers in the country. WASP is one of the most lyrical DJs in the country. How come the thing never click enough where something massive come out during your Not Nice the journey, the part of the journey?
Yeah, man, a lot of people probably would have asked the same question, so it's a real question. And this, me I just say this straight. I feel like Not Nice did have other focus. When me and him are working, did have other focus. And there are things where me stand for where him probably not stand for, you know? Because the school where him come from is like, if him and a man they in a vibes, like him and a man in a deal, and a man the song play,
oh, okay.
you can't bust a blank.
Oh.
And knowing me I go bust a blank same way. So we have them little type of vibes there, you see me?
Yeah.
Him is a producer first, and him a venture in a management. Him a do good in a management now, because I like what I do with Javinci, but at the time, I just think him did better as a producer. And certain things of a manager artist, I don't think him did grasp that yet.
Yes.
At the time, I think him did still learn and figure it out. You see me? So, him did have Jaffras and me at the same time. And
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I think one of the songs that I know will come out of Not Nice signing journey is that them on the Wicked Up Rhythm.
Yeah, man. Tough song. One of my favorite songs when I record for Not Nice is a song named Join the Line. That song that almost bust.
Join the Line.
Yeah, man. Every selector in a dance that play it, when Shane find the tune, he must say, Jano, he must tell me, say, Join the Line, I'm favorite song. Most disc jockey, like 80% of the disc jockey, them they play it. And, you know, me I go to Not Nice, like, yo, that song out for take off, you know, yo, just link so and so and so and so.
Probably show that.
And him no link them. Him show the video after a while, but he never link the man them when I tell him to link, because that song that would have definitely bust. Me purposely never call my name another song, because sometimes you have to just approach him from a fresh angle.
Yes.
Make
I
them wonder
can
who
understand
this.
that still.
Yeah, man. That song that almost, I can put that side of the song.
Give me some line, a couple line out of the song.
If me fi make a dollar for everyone when no like me that have millions. One of my friend them a fight me so long. Me see him and him turn old man. Watch ya now. Your girlfriend says she not like me. How long now she a lesbian? The only person when I get fight in a life is a gruff or a dead man. So you hear me? Join the line, join the line. You figure join the line, join the line, join the line, join the line. You figure join the line. Watch out now. My success I kill them slowly. Some a fight me and not even know me. Plus me wake up with my enemy girlfriend in my bed. Woo! She give me last night like she owe me. If tell the truth, we was destined for glory. Talk my story and it make his story. And me a pray for my brother them make it in a life. Cause being at the top kinda lonely.
Is that one that almost kicked down the door?
Almost.
Does it need an extra
every
push?
disc jockey, boom, boom, everybody a talk about the song, bro.
Yeah.
See me? And me tell you, say, they just need a 20% because, you know, me I do crazy thing, you know, bro. Every dollar when I make me, I push it into the music. I believe in myself, bro, 100%. Yeah, man. So,
You have a lyrical artist.
me they just want not nice believe in that song a little bit more. Yeah, man.
I think you did Envy and the El Chapo rhythm in that time. I think
yeah.
about 2017.
That's now I realize how cruel the game is because it's 4 songs upon El Chapo rhythm. Massacre, Popcorn, Jaffras, and WASP. Now the 3 man them name I just call Popcorn do a gun song, Massacre do a gun song, Jaffras do a gun song. I do a real song. I never make it be about gun, I never make it be about party, I just do a song I talk about what me I go through at the time.
Oh.
Yeah, and my dad dance at night time, me and Not Nice and Jaffras them and them play 3 songs right in front of me and my song I play.
In front of you?
Yeah, man. So I go to Boom Boom and say, yo, what going? Oh, you know drop my song. And that's some real serious thing, like, yo, why you not drop my song? And he must say, yo, Not Nice tell him say him not have to play the WASP. Yeah, because it's not a gun song, so it not connect with the rest of the song and one thing. But my thing is, if I sign to you and you feel like that song they not connect with what I go on pan it. My voice a different song, not telling us selector that.
Yeah, that
Because
makes sense.
with the dance and the Jaffras don't play and him page selector like, yo, you don't play the Jaffras. But when my song not play, nobody not page them but me. So it was one of them things that when I feel like I did some sister the game kinda, you know? And if me not hurt a selector them time the bro for play my song, just remember say that now got me again. Cause me really they have to really hold it. For day in the dance and lose sleep, cause me is not a sleeper. Meaning I will go to my bed 8 o'clock and I start sleep till around midnight. A lot of things run through my mind. So when I lose the sleep in the dance, I burn out and then you play 2 man pan a rhythm when I dead. I'm dead. I just show love and go through and I believe in a good karma. Because me and my son go everywhere, I don't look over my shoulder, you see me? So I set a good karma for my youth them and thing, bro. But that's when I realize say, the game cruel, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So it was a 3-year deal.
3 years and it run out and you know me and the G them good same way. We never
Which is right.
Yeah, we never end on no bad note or nothing.
Yeah.
We just never renew it. Cause we realize say
Right.
yeah.
Yeah, I get the pre, man.
Yeah, man.
Another song we kinda, you know what I mean, got some traction on the street is Me Make It Hot featuring Curvy Diva.
Yeah, man, that song, you know, tough song. And I believe so that song they still can come do the dirt because we for shoot a video for that song there and the video never get for shoot. Curvy Diva well busy and you know. I think me use the B word too much in the chorus too. So me have the cleaner version for that song there and thing. But it's a tough song. Big up Curvy Diva. I reach out to her and say, yo, I want to do a song with you. And she said right away, and I sing it for her over the phone, and she turn up and just nail it.
Yeah?
You see me? Yeah, man. Big up the Diva. You know, up to the day, is a woman that I look up to. Now it kind of got hard to get her in the studio because she have so much different business, you know, and all of that and thing. But I cherish every moment with Curvy Diva where we spend in the studio, we go out and go talk about the song and you know, we did have a good thing set up. Sometimes you will have a plan and your people them will manage you and do bookings for you have other plans. So that's a part of the thing why the song never materialize. But big up Curvy Diva, man. We love her.
Yeah. I think you have a song named Bad Man featuring Version as well.
Yeah, man. That song there was when me I go through a dark time in my life.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, me and my son mother. Me and my son mother separate and you know the first song I write is a song named Bad Man, because I just I don't know why, but it's just a dark time, and that song there is, is a smooth badness song. It's a smooth bad man song. You see me? And the idea come to me, I listen to some African, and I hear them dismantle the beat, they do the beat away. And I say, I can't kill the beat too, So I start kill the beat, and then I hear version. In fact, at first I hear him sing like that too, with the falsetto and all of that. Big up version, tough. And that song there, we do a video. The video they too grimy. After I do the video, my baby mother call me like, yo, you sure you want the video like that knowing say you have a son? Because them know me a good youth and things, right. But the video wasn't a video a glorify badness. I'm going to tell you how we do the video. We do the videos because the song really about any man will rape no youth or, we are going to deal with him before it reach the police. So it was one of them type of things. So it's like the man them we are warring at the video or go against another video. It was more like people who are standing on the rape side or the pedophile side. You see me? So it's something I really stand by up to today, but the video never have so gruesome still. Yeah.
Yeah. In 2020, you were shot and injured.
Yeah, right place at the wrong time.
Yeah?
Cause this happened around at the WASP, But how but what happened is when we do one tree, yes. we find out say, somebody passed through the ends where some people the people them see them circle back. And when them circle back, the individual never did it. And them fire while and thing. And I shot fly through my hand. I come here there, so me a ninja food. They're close. Anyone away, it could happen to anyone. So I tell people this, even though the shot fly through my hand, I give thanks I saw it happen. Because probably if it did go forward side, probably it would be a different outcome. My mother did just dead there with me. I'm say, all right, mommy, later, and she going and things. So, I kind of give thanks so it turned out.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Same 2020, you did the tribute to Cartel.
Yeah.
You get a buzz out of that.
That is it, because Vibe Cartel always tell me, say, yo, youth, you're one of the baddest lyricists here, one away.
So that means everyone on Freedom Street?
Yo, me da love that. Yes, me da love that. People do the right thing. Yeah, me da love to even at least perform. Yeah, me da love to at least perform the tribute. Yeah, man.
Makes sense, bro.
That is sense. That is it. So that song that come out now, bro, me hear the rhythm, and this rapper named John Lucas do a song, it's like a tribute to Will Smith. Because I say Will Smith, I'm idol. So me hear it and I say, yo, this tough. Because I watch a video and how the youth do the video, I say, yo, this tough. So I say it and I say it tough and I move on. My nephew call me like, yo, the John Lucas tough, Feel like you have to do something on it, I say, all right, cool. Then West, big up Zip Jack West, he reach out to me like, yo, you have to do something on the beat. Okay. Them know me are the freestyle youth, them know me are the remix king. So I just say, all right, I'm going to do it. But if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it about either a bounty killer or a cartel. And why I'm do it for cartel at the time, because of the incarceration, and me I say, yo, you never know what can happen while you're in other places. I say, yo, I show him some respect him and give him and pay homage and thing and still give killer him flowers.
Right.
Yeah.
True.
So when we drop that song then now, Chrome premiered Trouble from this. So that tune that take care of me in a COVID. I get the most dub work out of that. Everybody come, yo, I want that pan dub, and I say, yo, run. That pay my rent in a COVID. Yeah,
and then Teacher drop a couple bars.
Yeah, because Bounty Killer again. So Killer post it, and then after that Vibe Cartel page post it. And the song gone from there. So big up ZJ Chrome. ZJ Chrome say, yo, I say Cartel post it and thing, and we laugh and we talk about it. Him say, yo, hear what you do. Reach out to him. Tell him say you want him on the remix. So I DM the G. And the reason I can't tell them story now because I see him on a couple interviews. I say my record is in another place, so we can't talk now. So I reach out to him on the DM and say, yo, I need a 8 bar because Chrome tell me say don't ask for a 16.
8.
Just make it look like anything at all you get. Ask for 8. I'm say, yo, man, you know, man, I beg you 8 bar on this, bro. And the man say, yo, WASP, who forgets thing now? The first thing that him say, I laugh. I drop some emoji and thing, and then him say, yo, I wish 8 DJ no demo that about 8. A trouble, man, send the track to me. And him do the track. After him tell me that, I'm going to exaggerate 4 hours after.
I get it.
Him send P-side to me and tell me it's a chrome of the full song.
Okay.
I'm not bother sleep. This are like 2 a.m.
You know what I see?
Yeah, this are like 2 a.m. in the morning. I'm not bother sleep, brother. I could wait till the
Man,
daylight
light out.
Yeah. So me I try hold it and surprise me nephew will call me and tell myself to jump on the remix. Me I try hold it cause if him know say Cartel go on it, him not go sleep neither. So me make wait till morning and I tell him and him no bother with no sleep thing. And we just know so we make it cause Cartel that is a youth me rate, bro. When I tell you all of the names them when I call me and show you people, we really love music and we love people. We not cap. I appreciate the G them and the work with them put in. That's why me can be an artist and still be a fan. When me there run Killer, me no want hear nothing else but just listen the G or him reason. And it me learn so much. Me used to listen Killer when me I go school or him reason and go to school go talk. And you them just there around me like me and Killer. But me have the Killer reasoning. Cause I hear it last night. And when I tell them some I know being man and I did it when Killer voice them used to say a lie. You see me? So big up the artists and big up the G them. Cartel do the song and my life changed because my followers got so boom and gone through the roof. Chrome premiere it and a problem from there. So people start to call me like, yo, you know me, I love a link with the teacher. Then all of a sudden them think say, me have the link with the teacher and I know say me just get one of them 16 years, you see me? So big up the teacher, man. Him go hard and it show me how him respect me as a MC because I want him toughest verse me ever hear.
Him go hard with
yeah, man.
still.
Toughest verse, man. Eminem type of level him go. And him say it to when him post it. Because him post it road 3 times. That's why I'm big him up to car. You will do some song with some man and them not post it and have the fans I wonder if it's real. You know? Because nowadays things change, you know. If the artist where you do the song with no post it, people, them fan base I wonder, no, I not see what's post it. Anyone what's not, you see me? Them take it serious. So him post it 3 times, give me the cosign.
Mad.
Big up Vibe Cartel.
In the past, longest while, Zane, the most creative song that I've heard released in the dancehall space. I'm not tell you this because I'm sitting here, so. Zane, Time Bomb. Javelani.
Yeah, man,
Crazy,
by far the most creative song. That's why I tell people, say, really and truly, bro, when the world realize what WASP really can do, them are going to surprise, bro. There are layers to me, you know.
Yeah, but what prevent the world from knowing what can do to WASP?
But me I going to tell you this, me not get the right team around me yet. Me can say this, big and bold. Me always I push my own career. It's not like I know someone want it. I want a good team. Just like where Sweet Music I do with film team and Ramesh I do with film team. That's how me want to one good team too. And then we'll see something. Not for what me can do. That is it. Big up Sweet Music. I love what I do with the group. You see me? And watch what I'm going to show you now. Any day you see me getting at one of the camp them and the team around me, it's like how you see TJ did always bad. Right. But with the Sharon Burke sprinkler magic on it, you see what drift. You understand?
See pre,
so,
man.
Anytime WASP get that, bro, them see something because them don't know what me can do. Me not give them no opera song yet. Bro, me have some whole heap of ideas where mad, like literally mad. Me more while I have to just wake up and me and say, yo, Ja, when me I go drop them song? Because I can't sing them song for anybody. I have to wait till the right team, the around me and the right sauce sprinkle.
I probably need to drop a few of them and find the right team to you know what.
That is, me that tell me never this. No, and I lie at you because me that tell me never. Me never big up Ninja Ford's son, step to them. Him actually have a full EP with me, you see me? Sean is a big up Sean is a, him have some wicked tracks with me again too. You see me?
Sean is
double
the
track.
EP for your name Greatness, man.
That is it. We have that. We have the tracks and we not drop it yet.
Oh, you not drop?
No, we not drop it yet. We drop one song and fight with the ding dong. But if you listen to that EP there is be a deep song. Anybody will love Cry for the Youths and Unfair Officer, I go love the Greatness because that's all up on it. We give them a 1 or 2 party song, but the majority songs is just some deep song.
Yes.
Bro, we have a song, man. I'm going to put on my son on there. in the background. Trouble, man. Trouble. Big up my son, Mark here.
Time bomb.
Alright, so Time Bomb now. You see Javelani, I have to big up Javelani. I see him drop a thing and I comment on it like, yo, youth, you're tough.
Bad DJ, man.
And him say, yo, youth, you're tough. And I link him like, yo, we for do something. Him say, of course. Boom, him send me him number. And I call him and him. Why I rate that youth now, them youth they think tough in the streets.
True.
No cap. So when me call him and him link up on my ends and trust me if you know say right, him there on my block him good. I have a different ratings for him because them man don't go anyway. I tell you, when the G pull up, and that's when I know say right, the G rate what we are do. I will go in at the studio and we make that song, we really should have video it because I write the first 4 bar. I'm going to lay it down. And me him listen to it 2 times. And him go around there and drop for him 4 bar without no pen. So I said, me I'm pretty hot. I put up my pen and paper. I'm going to go around there and shell it. And by the time I walk out, him I walk in. And then him goes and shell it. And by the time I walk in. Bro, it was very competitive but just smooth. At one point in time, him give me a line, me give him a line. That's how we start do it like, it was just, we come together, bro, and make a perfect song. And I wish people really go listen to that song there. Time Bomb. WASP and
It's a brilliant piece of work, man.
Yes, man.
Creativity, witty.
Yes, man.
You understand the video, everything about the tune.
That is it, bro. And big up Danny Boo where make a strap her down in the chair in the video, you see me? Big up Danny Boo, we love you. Nana have a tough song too. You see me?
I'm not familiar with that chat though.
No, we don't release it yet.
Okay.
You know, I see she pre me smoothly, but she go soon stop pre me because I soon drop it.
Very creative piece of work where we get more love in the street, but yeah,
Bro,
street rough in the was.
The street rough, bro.
Street rough,
that's why
so
if me have a son, like my son right now, me see him like him love music, me can't even push him in that, bro, because the street too rough, bro.
Yeah,
you see me? Yeah, man. So we try to protect anybody who tell me say them on the music. Boy, me have to tell you, you have to strong.
The thing still, I guess,
yeah, man, you have
the
to
thing
strong.
to that still is that it will click for someone immediately, you know, so that's our next thing.
But when we learn, and this big up every artist will make it, but someone willing to do certain things with me.
Yeah, which is true.
So that's why you see sometimes when it click for someone, you can't even make that to even stress you. You have to just know, say, yo, him willing to do what you wouldn't do. Because I not sing certain things, straight up.
I respect that,
yeah,
brother.
never. We're not going to reach this.
Respect that to the fullest. Yeah. Brighter days.
Yo.
That song,
yeah, man.
Song,
big up Chamba. Chamba produced a song with Curvy Diva. And Chamba, while we do the song with Curvy Diva, I'm say, yo, why you put on a 4 bar upon this?
Oh.
Yeah, and when him tell me what him want me for, what the idea,
right.
And tell me the names them over upon it.
Julian Marley, Bounty Killer, Turbulence, WASP, Anthony B, Javelani,
yeah. Yo.
Tommy Lee.
That is it, bro. Whole heap of greats and all of the name them where you call me, have fun. So, him call me and him actually tell me, say, yo, this is what I want you to say, and I just go say it. Definitely. So,
good feature that brother, man.
Yeah, man, because guess what? You would have a song that say, Give Peace a Chance back in the days.
Right, yeah, man, I remember that song.
One of my favorite songs. I remember Michael Jackson, We Are the World. So anytime we see like a group of people come together to make one voice or make one statement, I always be a fan of that. I love unity, you know, I love people.
Good feature that, my bro, yeah, man. Good
Brighter Days are one of my biggest streaming songs too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, nice, man. Nice.
Happy to be a part of it, you see me? Yeah,
see, there was a little thing in the street with a name thing. Intense, brother. There was some, I mean, I say feud, I say friction, but there was some naming.
Nah, man, what him they do, you know, him actually take on to the name and thing, and then, remember, say we in the game first and thing, but when you're not the man at the moment, a man, we just try for your thing. So that them they do, try for the name and thing, and them go up on stage and Winford call me and say, yo, oh yeah, the man. You know, the man him said them name was so yeah. So big up Winford and thing, and I go there go clarify it and make them know say yo, I want WASP man. You see me? Straight. Cause my thing, you know, is if the artist not have a name, then you can try for the name. But you can't say a man with a name and build. You know much thing I do for keep that name, bro. Meaning with blood, sweat and tears run the name, bro. In and out, trials and tribulations, sleepless night. We go through it, bro, and keep a name. As I tell you, when I get the name, I not even know the meaning or nothing. I just know say yo the name WASP and I stick with it. So my build a name up on a levels I can't afford for a man just come and say yo right. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah man. So we have to make him know say yo.
I think the G had on something for the
can
name
name-
still. Some DM something.
Yeah, and I see them still after the while them start back with it, but true him live a foreign and I live a yard. Me just know
Okay.
it,
Just
you
know
see
it.
me?
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Bob Marley.
Tough.
Lyrical genius
tough,
at work again, man.
Tough. Big up DJ Jamar, you see me? Him send me the rhythm, and you know me have a style for go overlay lyric the song them. So I tell myself say I want the chorus just easy and repetitive. So I comes I hear the Bob Marley. You see me just account it in a way.
Yes.
And when I do the Vibe Cartel song, I'm pay homage to Vibe Cartel, which is one of the biggest, baddest thing in a dancehall. Me I say me have to do the same for
Bob.
the biggest, baddest in a reggae. You see me?
Makes
So
sense.
I'm a balance it. As me tell you, me can be an artist and still be a fan. So me give Bob Marley in respect.
The lyrical creativity in a Bob Marley, next level thing still. The play on words and
yeah, because enough people think so we just a rhyme, but them not really realize we are play upon. We just like with the Addy song, we have to do it, you understand, do the research and thing and make sure say we talk about couple of hit song them, talk about some people who I know him affiliate with, talk about certain place where I know him go who I'm friend. All of that in the Bob Marley song. You see me? But we do it in a clever way like.
Yeah, man. Me listen to the song, man. Very clever, man. And very witty, as we say. You have a look at series that go on, you know. Rap some artists. I think you know 3 parts.
Yeah,
One,
man.
2, 3.
Yeah, man.
Very
That's
fun,
me.
man. And
that is
vibe.
it. Bring that vibe there to music because everybody too serious and
Face
you know
tough up
segregate. Yes, and we I show them say, listen, oh me know the music, brother. We always have that little vibes in our music where make you laugh and make you, you know. So no disrespect to none of the artists them and not rapping in a real life. I just music me and do, you see me? Some of the part one for my brethren, Bada General. He give me the rhythm and I go some rope and do the robbery and me see say the fans them like it. When me I read the comment, cause me tell them I read comment.
Right.
Zine. Ignore the ones that are negative. Me have the powers to ignore them.
Yeah.
Because you will, and this is how enough artists will stop. Stop, see 10,000 people are big enough and 2 man this one and answer the 2 man. That no good none at all. You know, disencourage the people them who are big enough and I encourage some more man for this one because you answer to me. Alright, let me write some more thing. Some boy in them house I eat cornflakes and I say, I'm gonna say something for what's we're gonna mash up what's day. Me not make you mash up my day, I read it, I understand what you do. And I just move through. So when I read the comment them I say part few. Because the robbery are tough. Everybody has said. So I say, alright, Zoops and Calm, I never step to them and then give me a beat. I drop the part few. People them love it. Now, this is what I see in the music to again teach them. You will have a man where Raytheon is a big fan of you and he would have never write a comment and say, this stuff. Him rather tell you half the year him no want the world, see say him a give her strength. Them say them everything them easy. So guess what you know? Me do that, me a whole a vibe one thing and one of the top producer them, bro. And me not say you're wicked by the way, me just a say, him tell me half the year, say, yo, I rate one and few, you know, yo, you can't drop part 3. And me I say,
Him not go post it, man.
and me I say, you never like, comment, share, me never know say know this. Me haven't said them don't know it.
Well, they like
You know,
share.
me have people around me all the time, I say, yo, you think them go on like them not see, them see what you do. Go on do what you do. But me I say, but them not. And I see them like that man, there's something, so a film thing them see, them say, yo, listen, a style, I'm start learn, so true. When the producer tell me, says a top producer out there, and him say, yo, drop part 3. I so come, I tell one of my producer, bridging, Double Track. Big up Double Track. I say, Double Track, you know, say, them I say part 3, and him say, yo, me have the beat feed. Kind of, him was a fan of the whole series. So him have part 3, a part 3 rhythm, him the ability to do part few.
Okay.
But you me give me never part few, him did have that rhythm that sit down, so him send it to me. I'm a drop part 3 and the whole place done again.
Yeah, I think Sean Sam remix part 3.
Yeah, because me I read the comment again and me see say, them I say, yo, me I shoot off a Vibe Cartel and what they made I say, Gaza and oh, me I, yeah, so I say,
People are idiots.
yeah, me I say, yo, you really take this serious?
Yeah.
Alright, me I show this a joke thing. Sean, I'm a call Sean Storm and him say, where I say was? And him see it because while he was incarcerated, you know, them reach out to me.
Okay.
I do a track with with Sean. So when me call him back for him never itch. Big up Sean Storm, you see me? One sieve.
Very fun, man, and,
Yeah, man.
and creative, man.
We are talking about, man. As me tell you, the time bomb, the robbery, all of them, I just me a be creative, bro. Cause me only sing music where me would and bust a blank for. Anything will make me dance, say blows and skirts, you hear that? That's what I'm trying to sing.
See pre. And the man have a clothing line. Attack them.
That is it. You know, a branding, you know. So me always from early when we record the first song for Dan Carly, you know, Step to Them. Me have some t-shirt with Step to Them on it. We have the WASP bus place where they do that. And Fear Officer t-shirt. So people always say to me, say, yo, how much for this and how much for that and things. So kind of sparked the, you know, and at the time, you know, big up my son mother at the time, you know, me and my son mother together. She's actually a designer. You see me, and them have a company with the printing and all of that.
Okay.
So, yeah. So
See we lost, man.
one, yeah man.
Makes sense.
That is it.
And where people can go get.
Well, right now we kind of dip on pause a little
Okay.
bit because for the 25 more
Revamp.
yeah, stronger, you see me?
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Sound good. Above average record level. Man, a producer.
Yeah, because when you come up with some idea sometime and you go to a man, just like when I tell us I cry for the youths. When my father here cry for the youths in the developed stage, like we just find it, he must have one of the worst songs because my father not play that.
Yeah.
But when we put it together and him hear him say, oh, I know him say my favorite song of all of the songs that I do. Cry for the youths is my favorite
My
song.
one too, bro.
And mine too. Now watch this now. When me have some ideas, sometimes the producer them not really see where me I go.
I'm not have a vision where you have
Yeah, because me I hear the finished product in my head, but I probably not DJ to you the right way. So you hear it how me I say it, but me I hear one different thing in my head. You understand? So I come I start, I call the pianist, call the drummer, call who I call, and I put my thing them together. I be like couple rhythm well and thing, but me no voice other.
You know record nobody, you produce something for nobody yet.
No, I
Okay.
just like ideas will come to me, I just put it to life. You see me? And I actually have some songs where I feel like when the right time, you know, presents itself, we're going to partner up with some other people and drop them. Because I don't want to produce. I just want to put my ideas to life.
Makes sense, bro.
Yeah, man.
You mentioned the Bahamas already, you mentioned Cali. Where are some of the other places you have gone to perform outside of Jamaica?
Big up Fantan Moja again. Fantan Moja say, yo, you ever go to Africa yet? I said, no.
Zimbabwe.
Him say Zimbabwe. I said,
I said that. No, eh? There's a fantastic place.
yeah, man. Fantan Moja go there, so I mean, I tell people this motorcade and thing. Actually, when I video some of the things, but trouble, man. I see a man make, like, because, and me not boast about this, because this probably sound a little bit, you know. But what happens is that the people them love Fantan Moja in such a way, them know, say, the security and the dog them up on stage, you can't just run in and touch him. And a man decides that him go and take a couple lick from security just for touch Fantan. Me I watch, because I watch the whole, me is an observer. See, so I observe the whole thing. And I see the man, I feel the vibe, and the man say, oh, I take two beating, two of them button lick here just for touch Fantan. Fantan Moja! Get a couple lick well. You see me? But Fantan stop it and embrace him. Because you know we never see me? So them man are Jenna. So him carry me with him. So Cocotti, Fantan Moja, Giovanni, Jesse Royal. Them tell me Jesse Royal never Royal yet. You know, because he might open the show. He might open the show them and thing and we are work after Jesse and thing.
Yeah.
When the boss, when I hear him play some song for me, I say, yo, you're the baddest thing. You remind me like a Juna Gang, because Juna Gang is one of my favorite. Juna Gang, lyrically.
Yeah, man. Gangzilla a general, man.
You see, him and Cartel, if them ever do a song, bro, a trouble, a too lyrical. The only thing is, Juna Gang focus on the positive side, the conscious side, and Cartel, you know, them and they go ranchy. But a too lyricist, them, bro. And you have to give Juna Gang credit to because as a lyricist, you know, want nothing, like, you're supposed to just be creative and say anything will come to your mind. That's how your lyricism shine, you know. Yeah. But for actually contain yourself and curve yourself and say, I'm going to be a lyricist but spitting positivity.
Take a lot of discipline.
Boss, man. When me hear people that talk about, yo,
just like
the Marley, them always I forget the people, listen. When the Marley them put together,
Well
put together.
That's true.
Every
Still.
Junior Gang album, bro.
All right. You see the way you just say, Mark, you know, you see the name and fame is a
work,
thing.
you know.
But you see when they
listen them album,
I true you
bro,
musically, brother,
well put together.
Man.
You see all the Stone Hill album, big up
Hey, man,
the
they're
Marleys
wise,
them.
brother.
Yeah, man.
So as much
man.
as them have a platform,
Where you talk about, man, the man them thing put together.
especially
Why
Junior
you think the one where they come hit, the Lauren Hill son.
Yeah. What name
You
again?
hear the song that sound different.
The song sound different.
Bro, me use as my caption, you know, give Jah the thanks and praises, you know.
Then things solid for true, brother. You can't
Solid,
take that
man.
from them.
Solid.
No matter what you want grown in name, musically,
Yes,
them things
man.
always well put together
Yes,
for
man.
real still. See?
Jamrock still up and repeat on my yard. No.
Half of you one of my favorite album of all time.
Average had the first introduction. And guess what? In first album, I never know, you know. So after three, I start from.
Half of you, me start from.
One of my brethren, big up DJ Jamar, I have to give you credit. Him send a thing to me through the mail and when I check it out, the first Junior Gang album. I went named Mr. Name Mr. something. But the album there, tough, bro. Jamar things I'm listening it, but I don't listen it yet.
Yeah.
Me watch it and read the thing them and thing, but why me not listen it yet? I have nothing over play CD. CD kind of. But I go listen because I know I have every Junior Gang album except that one there. And him send it to me recent.
Gangzilla giant, man.
Yeah, big up Jamar.
So you've been Zimbabwe, you've been the States, you've been Bahamas.
We go Suriname.
Oh, okay.
Zine, French Guyana.
Where you not go work it where you know you have design to say, you know, I love go mash up on stage, run of them part there.
Alright, this might surprise a lot of people. I never go England yet.
Oh, okay.
I have a lot of fun, like I have a good fan base over that side there. You see me? So that are the
promote up on the England side. Do the right
that
thing.
is it.
The right thing.
One of my favorite performances are the same one in Africa. You see me? The California run to was a good look for me. You see me?
Yeah.
Because as I tell them, I just freestyle over the hip hop rhythm them were trend over there. And you know, it was a good vibe. So as I said, promoter do the right thing.
Yeah.
You see me?
Same, the journey is still young in terms of, I know the aspirations we have and stuff, but so far along the journey, my bro, yeah, how do I think go on? And plus, I know the levels of the man talent, bro.
That
you
is
understand what I say? So, when you look at the journey so far, is there anything from a musical perspective that give you a sense of pride? You know, so when you look on that, you say, yes, a Marvin Clark thing that give me a, you know what I mean, a vibration, even if I'm down and things not work, I look back on that and know, say, yeah, you know, that's a part of the legacy so far, and that keep me going.
Well, I go keep it real with you. You see, performing with Bounty Killer on some fest and doing that remix with Vibe Cartel, yeah, I'll be honest with you. I look on them there and I say, yeah, you're there on the right path. I know I'm going to get the Grammys, you see me? I'm going to get the Grammys, I got to sit
Link the man. Yeah, my number was, man.
Yeah,
man.
man. And I really recognize really a real G. So, I'm going to get the Grammys, but for now, I can say doing the song with Vibe Cartel and performing on Reggae Sumfest 2009 with Bounty Killer. Yeah, I'm most proud.
Yeah, them things that give
Them
energy when they think. Because I know sometimes
That is
the energy will kind of get low in the bass and the thing probably not work at that time
Yes.
there, and you know, you feel like the thing not go forward.
Definitely. One time I watch Will Smith because he's a big Fresh Prince fan. So I watch every episode of Fresh Prince over and over, 30 times. And one time I watch Fresh Prince. At the time when Fresh Prince and do everything, him stuck in our elevator, in one of the series them. I mean, I say, yo, I'm for dead there so tonight and I never go Zimbabwe yet. I said, what I go Zimbabwe? You know, like, them things they give you a little vibes, you know, say, yo, Ray, you see me? So, yeah, man, I'm proud of them. The simplicity we use for survive,
Yeah,
you see me?
Brilliant,
Yeah,
man. So when you reflect on the journey so far, is there anything we have, you know, in your quiet time, you meant it to say, you know, we probably shouldn't do that differently, or we shouldn't do that. Is there anything so far along the journey where...
Definitely. Because I watch your program and a lot of people say no regrets and things.
Yeah.
But me personally can't say so. I think one of the things that stand out to me, like 2009 when I do like have the sound officer, remember I tell them they write the song and they link everybody and nobody never.
Right.
So when the song, actually, when Damien Gill record the song and the song hit, I tell myself, say, all right, I'm going to just go and record with Damien. I've never turned down anybody. So nobody never reached out to me and I turn them down.
Right,
That never
right,
happened. But me couldn't did knock on some more doors. Me couldn't go up at Genius and say, Genius, see me have the unfair right now, yo, more voice the next song for you,
Makes
you see
sense.
me? Girl and Sean is yo, me have the song here, yo, me shouldn't, you understand? And that's it, and me shouldn't do that more. That's what
Makes
me wouldn't
sense.
change. To the now, right now, when the next hit song, that's why I use words like when the next hit song forward, it gonna be a WASP run. I mean, I say it yes upon the big program. Because I know exactly what I could do better. And I'm doing it this time. Yeah, man.
Publishing and royalties are for the songs that you have, done and released in the past. How are things read that?
Yeah, man, everything's structured the right way because, I watch a program and you always encourage them on them to do the business the right way. So, make sure say everything right, you see me, with my thing. Now, I'm going to keep it 100 with you. I've written songs for people and don't take anything like a favor. It's not a good thing, but I've done it and I'm still doing it today. But the business side of things where I say, all right, what's right for that person, I don't know you from nowhere, whatever. I get my proper credit. Any song on my record, I get my writer's credit and me is a part of the record. So if something forget cleared, me have to sign, you see me? So my thing well structured, but I still do favors. I keep it 100.
I'm glad for you to the thing structured, brother.
Yeah, man, because me have a bridging right now, I make a song, I'm give him a verse. You know, I got hear me tell him, say, yo,
right.
if him give me, I
Yeah,
say,
take
no
it,
need
why not?
But when I give my bridging a verse or
yes.
two, I just call it a deal.
We talk about Curvy Diva, we talk about Version, we talk about, I think you have a song with a brother named OG Swiss
OG. Yeah, man, big up Swiss, Whole Toronto.
I think those are medicine upon that tune too, man.
Yeah, man, big up those are medicine again. Next talented artist again. You see me?
With those and them.
Swiss reach out to me. It's a rapper from Canada and reach out to me through another one. I'm a bridging him, Rapper Dapper. Big up yourself, Dapper. And him say, I want to do a track. When we do the track come out so good that we do 7 track.
Yeah, okay.
Them not released yet, by the way. I just one in the drop, test the ground and thing. But a little thing did reach him in incarceration. And,
Okay.
So when him free up everything, we're going to drop some work. I have a whole heap of songs, by the way. I have more than 1,000 songs out there. I have 1,000 unreleased.
Unreleased songs.
Yeah, man. Songs for days, man. I write quick,
I know you're sharp like that,
yeah,
man. And there's a collaboration with Sean Stamp to outside Rap Some Artists, Part 3 remix. And, the Cartel remix and stuff. So I asked you that, I said that we said this. Collaboratively, who work with it? You don't mind going to the studio, Javelin, you forget about Javi. You don't mind going to the studio, go mash up and rhythm.
Bro, real talk, bro. Believe me, the list too long. If you want me to give 5 or 10 or something, I can do it.
Give me
but
5.
The list long. I definitely would have loved to collaborate with Jonah Gang. Me and Bounty still not do a song yet. The song right already.
Okay.
The general love the song, I would talk about it and everything, but it never happened. Zine. So we have Jonah Gang, we have Bounty Killer. Me like Enhance. But I really love to collaborate with you there. I actually have the song and everything. I need 8 bar, but 8 bar I need. So when I reach out to the teacher, I ask 8 bar. I need 8 bar from Enhance. I have the song name.
Link up Bosco X, man.
All right.
As a matter of fact, I link him for you.
No, I don't appreciate that.
A simple one, tree that one.
People, teach them go make it happen. The song with Enhance.
Make it happen.
Listen, teach them, tell me straight. Say the song will go happen with
Bosco
Enhance.
with G, man. Bosco with G. We're gone. Killer, Gang, Enhance.
Yeah. But I love to do a song with Popcorn.
Okay. That should have been a nice journey, brother.
Yeah.
No matter what I say, could have.
True.
But you're not too late still.
That is it. I'm a rate Dexter Daps. You see me? And as I tell you, bro, my list long.
Me see.
Because I really love the artists, them work, where them are put in. And he's a fan.
I genuinely love the music, brother, man.
He's a fan, bro.
I see that, man.
I can't understand how them see something and even comment and strengthen it. Bro, for me see my artist friend, them I do something and it tough, me comment and give the fire thing them. We are talking about, I can't hold back that.
So as I say, I know, the man have car, we can say Unfair Officer a classic as well. And them
Yes.
tune will always
Yeah, man,
play, brother,
Unfair
see?
Officer,
But
Cry
Cry
for
for them, and that is really the classic.
Yeah,
see?
man. In our movie, Join the Line, what do for that nice is in our movie too.
Yeah? Which movie?
Named Sprinter, bro.
Sprinter?
Yes, man. There's a scene where the virgin drive and there one stop sign and one youth come in car window. And I don't know if I beg the youth, I beg, because I remember everything. But yeah, that scene there where the youth come out the car window like him a beg something. My song Join the Line play. I'ma get paid for it.
Nice.
Yeah,
Man.
big up not nice. But
You forget pay for what?
Yeah,
Zine, and so the man have classics. So this is the question I'm going to ask you now. Zine,
Yeah.
as you continue along the musical journey, I know you have goals and aspirations still. But ultimately, Zine, if me sit down and will an interview with WASP 10 years from now, Zine, at that point in time, what you then hope to add to the legacy where you are built upon right now?
Yeah, man, easy. All right, so a 5 Grammy them I give thanks for it.
Yeah.
The Grammys, we are talking about the Grammys. We are talking about an artist that have a bands, my own bands. Yeah, right there someone carry it. And me out on the road a tour. You see me? The Grammys and my own bands as a touring artist. You see me? I can act and a lot of people don't know that side of me, but if you watch a couple of the videos, them even time bomb, you see look at acting skills and things. So, little movie would have move way. You see me? I'm not like, yeah.
Nothing wrong with that something, man.
Yeah, man. But the Grammys, we are going for the Grammys. And
Yeah, bro.
we definitely have the material, them. We record up some song, we're Grammy worthy. You see me? Yeah.
I remember say Grammy in an album, you know, so...
That is it. I have the album, them, man. A whole per album we record up, you know, if we really check it, you know.
Right.
Whole heap of album, because my EP, them are album, you know. I don't know, 7 songs and 8 songs. I might drop 7 out of the 14. Because my EP is supposed to be an EP where you can't skip nothing. My album, you're not supposed to want to skip nothing. Like the Jonah Gang, because remember, I tell them I learn from them genre there.
Yes.
So when you listen to my record, if I go drop 7 songs on an EP, I go do 14 of the baddest song. Then we're going to scribble down now and choose the baddest 7 out of the 14 there. So my thing not going to miss, bro.
Bro, lyrically,
Yeah, man.
you're not short of it. You understand what I say?
Man.
And
Respect.
I mean, I say that lightly, because when we talk about lyricists, we talk about Tanya Stevens, we talk about Carter, we talk about Junior, we talk about Assassin. And them and the lyricists in it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
I
bro,
real talk,
man.
bro.
So when I say you're a lyricist, brother.
Yeah, man.
Zane, and one of the things I want to say to you, Zane,
Talk to me.
I know you have a thing you call Freestyle Friday. I know
Yes.
you used to run it.
Yes.
You know, people just brand you as a freestyler, I'm a G.
Thank you.
You know, and that. You understand what I mean? So
That is why I'm stop. No, that's why I'm stop it. I'm going to tell you why I'm stop it. You have artists where my brand, me myself, brand them as clash artists. I do so much freestyle that people I say, yo, I freestyle, I don't want to be that.
Don't
So I
make
just
them
easy
brand
back.
them G.
And
them brand
that's
them.
one of the things them where Sean is to tell me.
Yeah.
I don't know more freestyle. He tell me that straight.
A good advice.
Not nice he tell me too. You see me? Couple people that fight me now say me not do enough freestyle, I stop. And that make them did rate the thing.
Them alright, man.
But the people them tell me say stop do the freestyle, I like them, I can't name freestyle. Them say yo, you have to start get paid now. So
man.
big up on yourself.
Here we go. You see Jamaicans, you see if them put you in a box, brother.
Yes.
No matter what you do, you
You
can't
can't come
out.
on. That's how I stop it, man. At 52 weeks,
Let
I
that.
freestyle, I give them straight, you know.
Yeah. I mean, know you have a lyric.
And everything
the
every
lyrics
week.
to do it, you brother, but
Yeah,
you
man.
have to be
And
careful.
every week, I give them something trendy. Meaning, we go on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you're going to eat Friday. So people know it's a real sitting and a joke.
As I tell us, keep up. After a second clash, you shouldn't clash again. Yeah, I just saw it think, brother. You're too bad for man a brand new as just clash out. So you're too bad for man that's a brand new as freestyle.
Yeah, man.
You understand what I say, brother? So I just saw it think,
That's a good advice,
and
bro.
then sometimes you need someone who sit down far off and look on the thing. You understand? And they might sound away first up, but a man a see it, leg off of that. You're better than that.
Yeah,
brother.
man.
We know
Yeah,
so
man.
you're a freestyle artist. We know you have that.
I
But we
believe
know
you
say you're a lyrical
100%
genius.
now
You
what you
understand,
say.
brother?
Yeah, man.
And we take the time out to sit
Just
down and
tell
reason
me
with the
never
man.
that what you to say, yo. No more free. We might, all the freestyle thing might go every now and then we might just drop one. But it never be
Exercise
that
the brain,
week.
man. Nothing wrong with that, man.
That
But it
weekly
can't be a
something
weekly
there.
thing.
No.
You understand?
Weekly thing I go week out the thing.
Yeah, brother, come and say if you make them put you in a box around there,
That is it.
they dead about that. Brother,
That is it.
go and do the thing as I say, I know the man talent and man, brother.
Give
You
thanks.
understand? I
Give
see the man
thanks.
do something, I listen some things where the man say and do and a whole lot of people I say and do them things, bro. See, I know so probably the thing not reach the level where you want to reach it.
Yes.
And probably that is good too, so you're still hungry and because I have seen comments in what's people that say what's lazy.
Yeah, I see that before.
You understand?
Saw that before. Very tiny
yeah,
in
man,
the
but what we
comments.
see it, you
Yeah,
understand?
but
So it means a man sit down and look at
and think I mean,
maybe you're not see enough to say yo no, but I that him have.
people will see us as a lyricist, right? And have us as a top 5 lyricist. Have a hard time getting that out to the masses because people are judge the lyricism of who them are hear more.
Right.
But people will know us, know what we can do, and know say the top 5 or the top 6 where me easily can find a space in there. So. But when you tell the normal man out there, he must say, hey, I mean, you know what you talk about? What's over this? And him call some man name because he might hear them and them more.
Familiarity, man.
That is it. So definitely, man. Some more work I go put in, definitely. And me do the work, you know. But as I tell you, with the dream team,
Right.
it make the work. Yeah, man.
Something I just want, I want song, you want somebody to take up a song and brush it off and do something.
That is it. Remember Earth
That
Run
the
Red
thing.
with Rich's
Me know a
Spice?
story, man. Beat
All
up.
right. Because that song they did it to me, you know.
The interview, bro.
But it's when the team go around
Right.
it becomes a mega hit. Yeah, man.
The songs can be found on the digital play stores. I know you have your YouTube page and thing, but we are talking about Spotify and Apple Music.
Yeah, man. My structure my thing. Big up Sean Izzle.
Nice.
Sean Izzle help me with that thing there for structure everything and keep them under one umbrella. So we have to big up Sean Izzle.
Because the thing is that streaming, most people are stream music now. So you have to put the music where people then can find
Yeah, man. We definitely in you know. What day we did out.
Yeah.
But keep it on so when you're in, you're in. And when you're out, you're in, you know.
Bro, just go on to the thing. As I say, I know the man talent level
Yes,
normal.
give thanks.
And I know that this is not the final interview, bro.
No.
You understand?
No.
And you know, as a man,
Grammys
I
round the
always
corner.
link forward and I read about a particular thing or
Yes.
different things and them something there. And we appreciate the support, bro. And just go and do the thing and we're there when the successes come.
I appreciate you, bro. Give
Big up
thanks.
yourself every time, you know.
Really recognize you.
For the sound man them and the promoter them, like the promoter them in England side, we not go yet.
Yes.
We want to find you. How them find you?
Well, just follow me. WASP above average on IG. WASP above average on IG. I am WASP_attack on TikTok.
I believe in the man talent, bro.
I know that.
We don't hide and talk that.
I know that,
You
and I
understand?
appreciate
believe
it.
in the man talent, man.
And I want to say this to add to it, so I really love people, bro. So you see when I write my song, man, I need my Aki tree, and people look up to me and say, yo, that song is tough, or yo, that line the way you say it make my day, or yo, me hear when you say when you flip, it mean a lot to me. No cap, I really appreciate every fan, every comment, every upliftment. You see me, I appreciate it. Yeah, man.
Go and do the thing. Attack them.
Attack above the average, you see me?
Thing, man. I love, bro.